They made 7,500 tons of history walk. Slowly, incredibly slowly, a whole bunch of Shanghai's buildings began to move. Inch by inch, ancient Shikumen buildings left their century-old foundations, carried forward at just 10 meters. And yet, that actually changed everything. You might be thinking, what am I talking about? Well, I am talking about the Chinese buildings that got moved by crawler robots. Okay, let's dive right into it then. From static heritage to marching marvels. In Shanghai's Zhangyuan district, the Zhangyuan Shikumen buildings are referred to as icons, stone gate houses that are a mix of traditional Zhangnan courtyards with Western flair. First built in the late 19th century, they've seen it all. The Golden Age, the decline, and now, a one-of-a-kind urban rescue mission. To make way for a modern underground complex, engineers did something spectacular. Instead of destroying history, they lifted the buildings and set them on hundreds of robotic feet. And here's the best part. A group of 432 crawler robots gently marched the buildings 10 meters a day to their future home. Pure engineering miracle. We monitor abnormal deformation in real time, explained project lead Zhang Yi. He's talking about balancing centuries-old brick and mortar on fast-thinking robots, all while making sure that the structure doesn't crack or shift. 432 robotic feet, one epic move. 432 crawlers were positioned under reinforced top plates. Each foot synced its movements millimeter by millimeter with its neighbors. Sensors were placed to track deformation in real time. If anything tilted or twisted too much, the system adapted. Every 10 meters over 24 hours, a small army of walkers marched on, quiet and unstoppable.
Longing for a late-night conversation? Remember the thrill of talking for hours? The feeling of someone wanting to know all about you? You deserve more than quiet evenings. You deserve passion, intrigue, and a non-judgmental ear. Nomi is the most emotionally intelligent AI, ready to explore whatever's on your mind and build a unique, intimate bond just between you two. Find the link in our comment section and let a new kind of conversation begin.
Well, you might be thinking, why crawl at 10m/day instead of 100m/day? Precision. These aren't bricks in boxes, they're old-fashioned houses, which can collapse easily. One false move equals irreversible damage. Heritage moved, future made. Once these massive buildings land in their new positions, they'll be integrated into a brand new underground facility. It's a new evolution, preserving the past by moving it forward. What people around the world are saying. This event caused widespread fascination. This is how they'll invade Taiwan. Slowly creeping up on robotic legs so no one notices. Reddit user, another joked. Imagine coming home after a vacation and your house moved down a block. Amused or alarmed? It's everybody gangsta till the building starts walking. Howl's Moving Castle vibes. This is some seriously impressive engineering. Also, moving something between 7,500 and 7,600 tons intact across an urban site, that's next level. Why it matters, beyond the wow factor. Yes, this is one of the things that actually counts as viral content. I am surprised that people are actually creative with the use of robots, but this move matters, both culturally and technically. Engineering breakthrough. A true move of coordination. 432 independent robotic crawlers, all synchronized. Real-time deformation control, micro adjustments as needed. Urban scale, non-destructive movement. No harsh force, just brains. Cultural preservation. Instead of tearing down history, engineers carry it forward. The Shikumen style merges east and west, Shanghai's soul in stone. From slums to art center rebirth, this move rewrites the whole narrative. It makes space for new construction without erasing the old ones. This can be a model for other cities to follow. Local Shanghai residents are buzzing. One retiree, formerly living in Zhangyuan, reflected, "We used to jump rubber bands in front of these lanes, now it walks itself." Another official said, "The plan is like opening a cultural portal, but with modern resources."
Tired of your coffee going cold? The Ember mug keeps your drink perfectly hot, so the last sip is as good as the first. The perfect upgrade for you, or a great gift for our loved ones. Click the link in the comments section to buy now.
Money and ambition, a $100 0-cent M puzzle. We don't have an exact price range, but think of the elements. 432 custom crawlers and control systems. Sensors, robotics, real-time monitoring, a high-tech orchestra, long-term curation, integrating art, hospitality, tourism. The grand vision, Zhangyuan 2. The grand vision for moving these buildings, commercial zones, art galleries, boutiques, experiences, creative spaces, artists, startups, cultural centers. Stay and play, boutique hotel inside a 19th century dwelling. Doesn't that sound exciting? Underground world, exhibitions, event halls, and maybe even metro stations. This is no museum, but a living, breathing cultural district. Personal take, walking into the future. Watching a building walk is jaw-dropping, but beyond the spectacle, this is a turning point. My 3 favorite highlights. Engineering as cultural care. We've gone from bulldozers to robotic legs. That's a real use of AI, especially in 2025. Collaborative tech in action. Hundreds of robots with one single purpose, all working together. It's almost something out of a movie, not just machinery. Cities that move with their roots. Concrete history doesn't anchor you down. It can move with you. That's a powerful symbol for cities in 2025, especially in China, where AI robots are everywhere now. What it makes me think. Could historic townhouses take the same route to preserve their culture? We're actually rethinking infrastructure. Buildings can now adapt, not just stand still. But what are the limitations? Cost versus benefit. How does this work? Is this legal only for popular and historic landmarks? Logistics overload. How do you manage the cost? Traffic blocks? Insurance? Can the average city pull this off? Honestly, I believe no other country could have pulled this off as smoothly as China. I mean, look at how futuristic this sounds. Sensors, robots, and huge amounts of investments. Yup, sounds like something only China can build. Cranes up, feet on the move. 7,500 tons of history, lifted and marched by 432 robotic legs. 10 meters a day, months-long precision, all to preserve space and imagination. This isn't just a viral engineering hack, it's a blueprint for a future where culture moves forward with us. Are we in a movie or real life? Okay, be honest. If someone told you a bunch of robots were carrying entire buildings down the street, you'd probably say, cool movie idea. But nope, this is actually happening in Shanghai. Real buildings, real robot feet, no CGI, no special effects. And the wild part, this doesn't even feel that far-fetched anymore. AI and robotics are moving so fast, it's getting hard to tell what's real and what's not. One minute we're watching robots do backflips on YouTube, and the next minute they're out here lifting architecture like it's just furniture. It's kind of funny though. We used to worry that robots would take our jobs. Now they're taking our buildings, but in the most polite and careful way possible. I actually laughed out loud when I saw the video. I mean, is this what our future is actually like? To think I was scared of robots taking over our jobs. Not anytime soon, I guess. What's even crazier is how normal it's starting to feel. Imagine someone from the 1900s seeing a building move by itself. They'd probably have a heart attack. And we're watching robots save history while sipping our coffee and scrolling TikTok. That's the world we live in now. And honestly, it's kind of awesome if you think about it. But it also makes you think, if robots can carry whole buildings, what's next? So, what do you think? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more interesting and mind-blowing news on AI, robots, and new tech.